summoned to roost on their nesting cliff. They'll incubate their egg through the long, cold night. The condors have more than a year of parenting ahead of them. Hummingbird motherhood, on the other hand, is fleeting and intense. It took the female hill star less than 3 weeks to incubate her eggs. And in another 3 weeks or so, her brood of 2 will have left the nest completely. She gives her babies their last feed of the day and tucks everyone in. They must all stay warm if they're to survive the night. This snug nest is home only while she raises a family. Nearby, a young female with no chicks faces her usual lonely night. She'll survive 12 hours without feeding by putting herself in torpor, using as little energy as possible.